Guys, what's going on? Today we are in Izmir Central and we are looking at some food to eat. I don't know whether to go KFC, which is over there, or have some kebab. I've ate so much kebab on my travels that I don't feel like eating kebab right now, but I'm not too sure where to go, you know. I might have to go KFC because I've had a KFC a few times and it was nice. It was amazing. Popeyes or KFC. We got Burger King as well. I don't know which one to go to. I think I'm gonna go KFC though. Let's give KFC a go. Again, I love KFC, honestly. You can't go wrong with it. Fried chicken, a bit of chips. How can you go wrong with that? Can't go wrong with that. Let's see how much it costs and what we're gonna get. We're here, KFC. Everybody loves chicken. Let's go KFC quickly, see the menu, see what they got. I got some new stickers to the hat. Let's go. It's not even that much, 125, 172. I'm guessing like £5-6 for a meal. It's not bad. You got 135 TL for a couple of wings. Not bad, good prices. They got so many sauces around here though.
Which one?
What comes with? I want this. With one piece of chicken piece as well.
Okay.
Can you do that?
4?
8.
8?
Yeah.
And one piece?
One piece of chicken, 5 piece please. So yeah, we're gonna try out the hot wings. Last time I had the hot wings, they were really nice. And we're gonna try a thigh piece of chicken, which is juicy. But yeah, this KFC tastes different. England KFC is a bit rubbish, not gonna lie. Turkish KFC tastes a bit better.
Is it spicy, not spicy?
Spicy please. You even got options of spicy or not spicy. You don't get that option in England. Pay with card, quick sterling, tap.
Cash and card?
Card please. Can I get some sauces with that? Can I get the spicy mayonnaise? And your favourite sauce? What's your favourite sauce?
French barbecue.
What's your favourite one?
French.
This is the receipt over here. So the receipt, that's the receipt over there, yeah. So that's how much I paid by card. So this is the KFC meal that they've given me. As you can see, I got one chicken strip, I got like 8 wings, and a portion of chips, ranch sauce, mayonnaise, and ketchup. Dip this wings in the ranch. These wings are amazing, honestly. They're much better than England wings. So much more fresh.
Where are you from?
London, Baba.
London.
London.
İngiltere. Yok.
The chips are nice as well.
Londra nerede? Emin misin?
Chips are lovely.
Amına koyayım cahilliğe bak.
Let's try this though now, yeah. Chicken strip, yeah.
Nerede?
They're fresh. You know what I like about this one? This KFC branch, especially, is so fresh. That's all of it. Honestly, banging.
Kafayı buldu.
So we just had KFC and we're gonna go get some dessert. Everyone's been talking about this celebi bomba. I think it's like a pastry full of chocolate or something, but we're gonna check it out anyway. It's kind of ramped, not gonna lie. It's meant to be really, really nice, but let's check it out. So this is what it is. It's basically a pastry full of chocolate. Well, no, you first.
Oh, okay.
You first. There's basically a thing full of pastry and chocolate. So many different flavors. So I think this one is white chocolate. This one is normal chocolate. I've also got a little bit of these. I don't know what flavors these are. Taste it out. Taste what it's like. I had one yesterday, not gonna lie. It is lovely, it is beautiful. It's probably the best dessert I've had for a little while. I'm gonna lie. Can I have chocolate, please? One. Eaten, please. Yeah. Let's see. We're gonna get one of them. Eaten. Lovely jubbly. Thank you, Baba. Huh? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna get one of these. Look at that. Just one.
Altı beyaz çikolatalı.
See what it's like inside.
Normal çikolatalı.
Arabi, Arabi,
No, India.
Hindiya, Hindistan.
Hindistan.
Hindistan ya.
But
India.
Muslim.
مسلم على راسي وعيني. الله يخليك خلي ولادك.
Bon appetit.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Bir çay ikram et
Subhanallah.
bana.
So we're gonna have this thing. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Mustafa o suları çıkar.
Buraya bayan çay.
Mustafa pasta var.
Jazakallah.
İkram.
But it's so nice, literally. It's so nice. Look at it. Soft, juicy. It's amazing. Buff.
2 sade bir orta.
But yeah, that's dessert done. That's KFC done, that's dessert. Might get some food later, might get a little kebab later as well. Before my journey to Istanbul. We'll leave on a flight to Istanbul at 11 at night. We get there 7 o'clock in the morning. And then I go straight to my hostel. So see you later. Look how busy this place is. This place is busy. It's just so busy. When you come in the night time, there's always a big line. This place is so busy, honestly. And that dessert was so nice and tasty. So this is the best way to get around Istanbul.